Okay, wanted to make a short video on the OS 11K carb. I've had a few people over the last couple months have tuning issues, and I'm going to try to do my best to give you some tips on the 11K carburetor. First off, this plastic sleeve that they supply with the carburetor is glued on. If you overheat the engine, that sleeve will crack. If you over tighten that pinch pin, it will crack. If you tap on that carburetor or try to twist it without loosening that pinch pin, it will crack. Age, heat, temperature cracks them anyway, but that will make it go a lot faster if you're not paying attention to what's going on when you try to remove it. It will suck air, it will give you a tuning issue, it's not fun. That stuff goes in the engine. I've seen them lock the engine up, so just be aware of that. Second thing, there are two different high needles. There's a small one and there's an oversized one that float around. If you feel that you're not getting enough fuel, more than likely you have a small high needle on your 11K. I have seen a lot of the OS 21 TMs with the small needle. Why they did that, I don't know, but the oversized needle definitely gives the engine what it needs for fuel. If you feel that you're running out of fuel on the top end and you got an 11K, or your buddy's got an 11K and he's wearing you out with the exact same setup, check this. 90% of the time it has the wrong valve in it. Or at least that's the ones that we've had here in the shop that have been mailed in. This is one that's recently just been mailed in. We'll be putting our aluminum sleeve on it and be shipping it back to him shortly. This is our aluminum sleeve installed. Oversized O-rings come with it, and we mail it right back to you after you ship us your old one. You can send me the housing. You can send me the complete carburetor and we can get it done. If I don't respond right away, please bear with me. I will get back to you. Thanks.